Okay, so good afternoon, student. As from today onwards, we'll start HCD activity at a place of COA. So here is some detail related to your project progress. So again, we'll verify the status one by one, right? And I will ask that what next you are planning to do in your project, right? So based on that, I will mark some comment over here. And again, I will take follow for the same in the next class onwards. So first one is the Rahul. Is Rahul present? Yes. Rahul, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your progress and what you are planning to do next?
Ma'am, wait for a while. I am going to present.
Sorry?
Ma'am, actually, I am on my phone, so wait for a minute. I will present my screen.
I don't want to see your project
Okay,
right now. I just want to see that how
okay,
many
okay.
things you had completed and what you are planning to do next.
Ma'am, actually, I have completed my website, and there are some little UI changes which I want to do, and rest of my all 10 pages are completed.
Okay, so what you will do today? I mean, I need to mention some comment over here that you need to finish within 1 week of time span. So what
Okay.
you are supposed to, huh.
Ma'am, I am going to give some background to my website and also some UI user interface.
Okay, so can I write down CSS style
Yeah, yeah,
sheet
yeah.
if you are planning to have? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Kuldeep is present. He is absent. Kevin. Kevin is also absent. Divyansh. Divyansh, are you there? Tarun is also absent. Unmute yourself, Divyansh. Yuvraj is also absent. Yojit is also absent. Kandarp,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your progress? In the last review, it is showing you had simply completed 10% of your work.
Yes,
So, any
so
progress?
five pages are done. Five
Five
static
web
pages.
pages are done. And what is your
Yes.
next plan?
So today now only few details are remaining. So I have to create more pages of books and web series. So they will be same. So I will complete that within this week itself.
So, 2 web pages you are planning to complete, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You people are having maximum 20 days of timing. Huh?
Okay,
Like
ma'am.
at the end of April, we might ask you to present your entire project. So you can plan your activity according to this time span. Yes, Chintan. Chintan is there. Unmute yourself, Chintan. Next, Prince. Prince is absent. Bharat. Bharat is also absent. Nilesh?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
mic is not working. That is very good
Hello, ma'am.
excuse. Yes, Nilesh.
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
telling to Chintan because faculties were never facing this issue that mic was not working. Do you come across this comment from any of the faculty that mic is not working? Why you people are facing this? Okay, Nilesh. So what is your progress?
Ma'am, 50% completed और अब
Okay.
आगे मेरे
How many
मैम
pages you had completed?
5 पेज इज completed मैम और मेरा जो वेबसाइट है वो बुक वेबसाइट है बुक सेलिंग का
Hmm.
तो अब मैं उसमें हम बाय करते हैं तो ऐड टू कार्ट वाला पेज हम ऐड करना चाहता हूँ उसमें तो इस
Okay. So
वीक में वो
payment. So what you will do for payment?
व्हाट मैम
What you will do for payment?
मैम पेमेंट में तो क्रेडिट कार्ड या डेबिट कार्ड रख सकते हैं
Okay, fine. Okay. Hitansh is absent. Aziz, are you there?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What is your progress?
मैम ऑलमोस्ट डन है मेरी ब्लॉगिंग की पोस्ट कुछ लिखनी बाकी है मैम बस बाकी तो सब हो
Okay.
गए
Content addition.
यस मैम
Fine. Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your progress?
Ma'am, I have completed 5 web pages and more 3 to 4 pages are needed to be added.
Okay, fine. So do work on this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Milan,
यस मैम
what is your progress?
मैम वो 5 से 6 वेब पेज हो गया है वो अब सिर्फ वो कोर्स का मेरा कोर्स ऐड करना बाकी है मेरा कॉलेज वेबसाइट है ना उसमें वो सब कोर्स की डिटेल ऐड करना बाकी है सिर्फ
Okay, fine. Prachi,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your progress?
Ma'am, I have completed 3 pages and the remaining is part is JavaScript and certain CSS are to be added.
Okay, so you are working on that CSS and JavaScript part. Is it
Yes,
so?
ma'am, I'm working on.
Fine. Hardesh is present. Yes, Hardesh,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your progress?
5 और 6 पेज हो गए हैं नेक्स्ट में कंटेंट बाकी है बिजनेस के बारे में कॉन्टेक्ट लिस्ट और प्राइस का जो पेज आता है ना वो बाकी है
Okay. So what should I write down over here? Specifically in this week, what you are planning to
कंटेंट एडिशन
expand? Sorry?
वो कंटेंट
Content.
एडिशन
Okay,
यस
fine.
मैम
Okay. Swati, Shyam,
યસ મેમ
what is your progress?
મેમ મારે છે ને હજી આ એડવેન્ચર ટ્રીપમાં જે હોય ને બધા પ્લેસ એની છે ને જે ખાલી છે ને પોસ્ટ ઈ જ બાકી છે એની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન ને પિક ને એવું બધું બાકી હોમ પેજમાં 1-2 વસ્તુ બાકી છે બાકી ઓલમોસ્ટ ડન છે
Okay, તો તમે કર્યું છે શું
એટલે
અત્યાર સુધી?
પોસ્ટ કર્યું છે એટલે મેમ આ બધું હોમ પેજ કર્યા છે 3-4 પેજ બધા કર્યા ફિનિશ કર્યા પછી પોસ્ટ ને અમુક એટલે બધી પોસ્ટ નથી બાકી અમુક જે કહેવાય ને ઈ જ પોસ્ટ બાકી છે કેટેગરીની થોડીક
Okay. Vedant,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your progress?
Ma'am, 7 pages are done.
Hmm. And what you will do next?
There is a 2 pages are remaining, but I will complete it before this week.
Okay, so what is the name of that 2 pages?
The review pages and the contact us.
Okay. Okay, fine. Kirtan,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your progress?
50% homepage is complete, and only 5 pages detail of car name incomplete. इनके बाद थोड़ी बाकी है, बाकी already done.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Kushal,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your progress?
मेरा सिर्फ 2 पेज बाकी है, बाकी हो गया है सब।
And what is that?
मेरी हॉस्पिटल की वेबसाइट है।
हाँ.
मैंने होम पेज किया है, अबाउट अस किया है, सर्विसेज की है, फिर अपॉइंटमेंट, ऑनलाइन अपॉइंटमेंट है, फिर डिपार्टमेंट है डॉक्टर्स का, एंड डॉक्टर्स की कैटेगरीज है, और ब्लॉग है और कंटेंट है, और 2 पेज बाकी लॉगिन रजिस्टर।
Okay, fine. Neil,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your progress?
Ma'am, I created 3 pages: homepage, contact us, and about us, and more 3 or 4 more remaining about blogs. लाइक स्पोर्ट्स का एक पेज होगा और बाद में एंटरटेनमेंट और न्यूज उसके 2-3 पेज ये वीक में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा।
Okay, fine. Okay. Vedant, your name is there? Okay, yes, yes. So anyone left from this list?
Yes, ma'am.
No, nothing, Vedant. I guess your name was not there, but it is covered. Yes, Divyansh, what is your progress?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your progress?
मैम 3 पेजेस हो गए हैं और अभी 3 या 4 बाकी है।
3 या 4, वो भी आपको याद नहीं है क्योंकि आप कोई रिव्यू में भी प्रेजेंट नहीं थे।
यस मैम, मैं उस टाइम पे बाहर था इसलिए मैं अटेंड नहीं कर पाया था।
एक बार नहीं अरेंज हुए थे, ये 2-3 बार हुए थे। आप सभी टाइम पे बाहर ही थे?
मैम 2 बार हुआ था और दोनों टाइम में बाहर था।
Good. See, in 20 days, it's tough to complete by your own self, right? Because you need to
Yes,
do
ma'am.
at after college hours. So please plan accordingly, everyone. And
Okay, ma'am.
Chintan, what is your progress? Yes, can you reply? Fine, start work accordingly. Still, you are having time of like 1 hour, so you can do so many things in that time. So utilize that time. Chintan, when I had asked you at that time what you are doing, once you will get information from your friends, and after that if you are replying, that will not valid. You need to be present.